I remember the day I was injured because it's also the day that I turned 38. It was a terrible birthday present. But I assumed that as a physical therapist that I could deal with that injury and then subsequent surgery really well. And I was mistaken. I wasn't prepared for the amount of pain that I experienced after surgery. I wasn't ready to be on crutches for 8 weeks and have challenges with walking and using stairs. And I missed simple things like playing with my kids. I know that my patients have many of these same struggles, and that's why I helped to create Curovate, to help patients during that time after injury and after surgery. The 3 things that I would recommend to anybody that's going through what I've gone through is, number 1, to make your exercises part of your everyday life. This has to happen right from the start. It is hard to do, but crucial. The second thing I would say is set a goal that's important to you so that you can stay motivated to do all of the exercises that are necessary. And last but not least, download the Curovate app to help make exercises a habit and to allow you to achieve your goals.